Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Farah Izzafon with metric number 2111188. Our group will present about wireless sensor network, which is also known as WSN. These are my group members, which consists of 4 people. Now, let me introduce to you about WSN. WSN is like a smart team of distributed devices. These devices, called sensor nodes or modes, are tiny, self-directed, and low-powered. They work together to form a network that collects, processes, and shares data. WSN devices are spread out, small, and run on batteries. Despite their size, they are powerful enough to adapt to various environments. The purpose of WSN is to collect, process, and convey data, whether it's monitoring the environment, industrial processes, or anything else. These networks provide valuable insights that can benefit us in many ways. Keep in mind, these devices don't have a lot of computing power. Still, they play a big role in making the whole network work smoothly. Now, let's talk about moves. They're like the building blocks of WSN working together to make the whole network tick. It's exciting when these modes work as a team. They talk to each other, share information, and together they make the work smarter and more efficient. In conclusion, WSN is transforming the way we gather and use data. As technology continues to advance, so does the potential for WSN to make our world smarter and more connected.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Hanis Karmila binti Suhaimi with meeting number 2113412. Will now present the diagram that illustrates the basic structure of wireless sensor network. Firstly, the square label user connected to the internet represents the end users or system that access the information collected by the wireless sensor network. Second, the oval label internet symbolizes the global system of interconnected computer networks. Next, the square label base station acts as a processing unit in the WSN system and connected through the internet to share the data. Lastly, the sensing region is the physical environment where the sensor nodes are deployed to monitor various conditions like temperature and humidity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hussein Azhar binti Muhammad Fakhr Razi with the metric number 2110942. I will now continue to explain about the first component in WSN, which is the base station. So the base station acts as a bridge and serves as the vital link between the sensor node and external networks. Its primary function is to act as a central hub in the network architecture of WSN. It collects data from sensor nodes scattered across the network. Once the base station has gathered data from the sensor nodes, it processes the incoming data through the information to filter out any noise and perform necessary analysis. It then transmits the information or the refined information to a higher level system, server, or even the cloud.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Farhia binti Munawar Hidayat, metric number 2116780. And now I'll continue with the second component of WSN, which is sensor. Sensors are equipped with various types of sensors to capture data related to the environment they are deployed in. Their primary purpose is data acquisition, where they gather information about parameters such as temperature, humidity, light intensity, pressure, or other relevant environmental variables. The sensors in WSN are designed to convert physical signals from the environment into electrical signals, making them suitable for processing and transmission within the network. This conversion process allows the collected data to be easily communicated and shared among the sensors in the network. The electrical signals are then transmitted wirelessly to a central node, often referred to as a SIM or base station, which collects, processes, and possibly relays the data to a central server for further analysis. In summary, WSN sensors play a crucial role in capturing environmental variables by converting physical signals into electrical signals. These sensors form a network that enables the efficient acquisition and transmission of data for various applications such as environmental monitoring, industrial automation, and healthcare.
Next, I'm Hanis Carmila will present the third component of the wireless sensor network, which is sensor nodes. Sensor nodes are individual devices which are also fundamental building of WSN that have sensing, processing, and communication capabilities. They are equipped with sensors to collect data from the environment to other nodes or a base station. To illustrate, temperature nodes measure temperature of the environment that's commonly implemented in the weather monitoring, while motion nodes can detect movement within area, making them useful for security system and smart lighting controls. That's all from me. Thank you.